Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having an amazing day today. I don't know about you, but as soon as the weather starts cooling down a bit, I have my Crockpot out 24/7, and there is nothing better than a nice cozy meal cooking away in the Crockpot all day. They're comforting, delicious, and most importantly, don't take up much time at all, which is always a key factor when choosing dinner recipes for me. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 4 fall Crockpot recipes. So the first meal we're going to be making is a tater tot casserole. You guys, this is so good. This is on my regular dinner rotation, so this is one I go to pretty often. It's another variation on shepherd's pie, basically. So if your family loves shepherd's pie, they're going to love tater tot casserole. You're going to start by browning 1 pound of ground beef, and then you're going to add about 1/4 cup of flour and coat all of your ground beef in that. And then you're going to add 1.5 cups of chicken broth or beef broth, really whatever you have, it doesn't matter too much, and slowly mix it in with the flour and beef mixture. This is going to give you a nice thick sauce to work with. Once you've done that, you're going to go ahead and add your seasonings. So I add some pepper, some garlic, some onion, and a little bit of Italian seasoning. I always just do this to taste, so I never really have specific measurements, so I'm sorry about that. Just do it to your own taste. It's your kitchen. Don't be afraid to switch things up a little and make it your own. After you add all your seasonings, you're going to add in 1/4 cup of heavy cream, and then you're going to take a bag of frozen mixed veggies and stir that in as well.
There's no more tricks, we could take things slow. Say you think about it too when the lights go out and there's no.
Now that you have everything all mixed up, you're ready to move to your crock pot. I'm just starting by spraying a non-stick spray, and then I'm going to go ahead and add in my beef mixture. After you get your mixture put in, you're going to add your tater tots on top. So I'm just using the Great Value tater tots, and I'm using about 3/4 of the bag. Really, I could have probably put the whole bag in, but I just went for about 3/4 of it. And then you're going to top it with some cheddar cheese, and that's it. Put it on low for 6 to 8 hours or high for 4 to 5. And you have yourself some tater tot casserole.
Give me a sign, baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more talking to you, and here we go again. Staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign, yeah. Give me a sign.
Moving on to our next recipe, we're going to be making some chicken and biscuits. So I'm just starting off by putting 3 chicken breasts, 1 cup of milk, a chopped up onion, 1/2 chopped up onion, a can of cream of chicken soup, and some seasonings. So I'm adding about 1/4 teaspoon of poultry seasoning, some garlic powder, and some pepper. I actually end up adding more pepper in the end because I do that to taste as well. So once everything gets cooking, I'll give it a little taste and see if we need some more pepper or not. And then I'm going to finish it off by adding a bag of, again, frozen mixed veggies. I do usually add about 2 chopped up potatoes in here as well, but I didn't realize I didn't have any, so I did not do that this time around.
Pass by, someone save me for a pass out. I'm too lonely to be done. I'm a drink at this place. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on?
You can cook this on low all day or high for about 5 hours or so. Your last hour, you're going to go ahead and shred up your chicken. And also my mixture was a little bit thin for what I like it because I didn't have the potatoes to soak up some of the juice. So I went ahead and added some flour in there. I didn't show this, but I added probably about 2 tablespoons of flour, and that just thickened it right up. I served this with some easy refrigerated biscuits, and there you go. You have chicken and biscuits. So now we're going to be making some easy soup that is so yummy, you guys. You can make this on the stovetop or in the crock pot, as you can with all these recipes, but I go back and forth with this one a lot. So I'm just starting by taking 1 pound of ground beef and seasoning it with some pepper and garlic powder and browning that up. And then I'm going to use my Kitchen Mama can opener. You guys, this thing is amazing. So this was actually sent to me, and this is by far the best product I've ever had sent to me. I'm going to get so much use out of this. I am someone who struggles with can opener on the daily basis, and this just does the work for me. So all you do is place your can opener on top of your can, press the little button, it goes around like you're seeing, and then you press to stop it, and bam, your top comes right off. You guys, truly, this product is so amazing. If I could recommend one like must-have help your life gadget, I think that this would be it. Out of all the kitchen gadgets I have, I think that this would be it. I'm not even joking. I'm gonna get so much use out of this, especially for Christmas time. I could see this being a great Christmas present or a great housewarming present. I'm gonna leave a link in the description box that will get you guys 10% off if you use the code Tristina10. So you'll get 10% off your purchase in this. I'm telling you guys, like, you want this. I'm not joking. This is like something I have used so many times already. It's an amazing product. I can't preach enough about it. Anyways, back to our soup. I just went ahead and added both cans of my diced tomatoes that I just opened, a can of regular diced tomatoes and a can of rotel diced tomatoes. And then I'm adding 5 cups of water, and I'm going to again add in a bag of frozen veggies. We are just using all the frozen veggies in this video. I lied. This is usually when I would add the frozen veggies, but I forgot to. So I cooked this on low for about 4 hours, and then the last half an hour or so I added in a cup of macaroni, and I put my frozen veggies in the microwave and then put them in the crock pot because I forgot to put them in earlier on. But I typically do put this in as it's cooking all day. I like to top mine with some cheese, and that is the easiest soup recipe ever, but you guys, it is so yummy. The rotels just gives it like a nice little spice, and it's just cozy and perfect for chilly fall days. Now our last and final crockpot recipe is chicken and stuffing casserole. This is one I've been making for so long. It's been on my dinner rotation list for years now. So I'm just going to start off by, again, spraying my crock pot and then adding in 2 to 3 chicken breasts. And then I'm going to take a bag of stovetop chicken stuffing and place that in there. You're also going to place 1.5 cups of water. And then what's nice about this is you can add some variation. So this time around I did a can of drained green beans, but I also switch it up and do drained corn. You could do drained carrots, whatever you please. I really like it with corn, but this time I did green beans. And then I'm also going to top it with a jar of chicken gravy. So I've made this before with cream of chicken, and let me tell you guys, using the chicken gravy is so much better than cream of chicken. It's how I've been doing it more recently. But then I'm just going to pop this on high for 4 to 5 hours. I'd usually do low for 6 to 8, but I'm really bad at forgetting to put my recipes in until last minute, so that's why I'm always on high. This is a little bit waterier than I would like, probably because I did it for less time, so I popped it in the oven on low broil and just let it crisp up a little bit, and this is what it looks like. I shred up my chicken. You could put breasts in with the stuffing and the green beans so it's not as like sloppy looking, but I don't even care that it's sloppy looking, you guys. It is so good. So that is all 4 of our recipes for today's video. If you guys try any of these, make sure to tag me on Instagram. I love seeing when you guys try anything I do in my videos, really, knowing that it actually like helps somebody, gives you ideas. That's like what I live for here. So make sure you tag me on Instagram. It's just at TristinaRoseYT. Don't forget to check out the Kitchen Mama and use code Tristina10 if it's something you're interested in to get 10% off. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. You want to say bye?
Bye.
Giving me